Remove the leather trim. Unplug the wireless charger. Unscrew the silver trim screw. Remove the silver trim. Remove the cup holder cover. Unplug the card reader. Remove the 4 screws of the cup holder. Take off the metal clips of the original cover plate. Remove the card reader from the original cover as well. Remove the card reader and install it on the cover of the ambient light LCD. Also, install the metal clips. Take the wire and plug it into the cigarette lighter plug. Take apart the rear air vent and find this wire. Unplug it. Pair with the yellow wire. Wind the yellow wire from left side to the cup holder. The cup holder is cut off here for easy threading. Take out the center arm rest left wire. Left 1 signal plug at the cup holder. For the other plug, wire to the rear air outlet. The wires of the 3 plugs are routed to the direction of the center console. Hide the wires to the inside of the trim. Do the same thing for the right side of the wire. Yellow line connects with the touchscreen yellow line. Connect the signal lines on both sides to the touchscreen signal lines. Plug touchscreen. Take the wires and organize them to the bottom of the cup holder. Put on the screws to the cup holder and cover the touchscreen plate. Restore the original trim. Be careful not to lose the rubber pads on both sides. Put on the ambient light laser engraved trim. Put on the screws. Pair the wires and hide it. Restore the air outlet. Apply adhesive tape to prevent scratches. Plug in the wireless charger. Restoring the leather panel. Remove the screw clips of the passenger compartment lower cover. Remove the cover. Removal of the instrument panel board. The wire of center ambient light go from the small hole behind the screen to the bottom. Pry off the silver-colored trim with a screwdriver. Install the lighting strip. The wires are fixed with tape to prevent rattling. Recover the pairs of wires. Remove the original footwell light from where the cover just removed. Replace the footwell light with the ambient light. The main line on the right side go from door sill to under the glove box. Connect the three-headed wire to the footwell light. Organize the wires and recover the cover. Route the main wire line along the door sill. Removing the front door interior in preparation for the wire routing. Remove the audio speakers first. The wire goes from the audio hole to the hinge of the original wiring. Restoring the audio speakers. One plug goes to the speaker cover. Another plug goes to the door trim. Removing the door storage compartment light. Replace the upper ambient storage compartment light and put it back on. Wire one plug to the storage compartment light and plug in. Organize the rest of the wires. Restore the door interior. Thread the door wire into the car. Connect the wires. Connect the air outlet light bar. First, pry the silver trim off. Trim the adhesive residue. Attach the laser engraved trim and fix it with adhesive tape. Apply hot melt glue to the corresponding holes on the back. After the hot melt glue dried, the tape can be removed, and restore the trim to the door. Removing the rear door. Take off the rubber plug. The wire goes through the hole and to outside the door. Punch a hole to the rubber and put it back. The wire is threaded into the car and connected to the main wire. Wire inside the door panel to the light bar and the storage compartment light respectively. Remove the storage compartment light and replace with the ambient light, install it back. Door panel light strip routed through the slit into the door panel. Press the light strip into the slit on the flap with a tool. Stick the rear footwell light under the front seat. Pick the two clips under the headrest with a tool. Lift the headrest. Break off the seat back and connect the wires. Peel off the double-sided tape of the light bar and attach it. Restore the back panel and the headrest. Remove the original horn cover and replace it with the ambient light horn cover. Wiring and restoring the horn cover.